Move through the house and garden to find Polly. Touch all the objects to find where she is hiding.
Polly! Where are you going? You've been going where the hell is... Where is this Parrot going? This Parrot's going places. I swear to...
Try the bathroom.
Bathroom? Fine, is she in the toilet?
You found her. Where has Polly gone this time?
Oh,
You found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time?
I hope she's... Oh, no. I hope she's not in the bed.
Try the garden.
Where is this Parrot? Where is this Parrot going? It's going places. It's going places. It's going places.
Try the garden.
Sorry, Coco, if I'm rejecting your stuff. What?
Try again.
What the hell is that bird?
You found her. Polly, where are you?
Can you just see the bird? I swear to God, if I see that Parrot again, I'm literally gonna die. The bird now. I swear.
Is she hiding in the bedroom?
Bedroom? I just checked the bedroom.
Where could she be?
Where could she be?
Try the bedroom.
Yeah. What bedroom? I just checked the kid's bedroom. What? Where's the Parrot?
Try the bedroom.
This is the bedroom you're talking about. What? Oh.
You found Polly. Where has Polly gone